Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. This video is going to be about this package here and what's inside, of course. This package came all the way from Singapore, and there was a promo in Singapore for International Women's Day. So if you bought for a minimum of 250 Singapore dollars, then you would get a jewelry box and also a free Reflections bracelet. So I contacted my person that I know in Singapore, and she was able to get me the items that I would like. So let's go ahead and see what is inside this package. So as you can see, I got this cute pink jewelry box with this cute bow here on the string, and also a free Reflections bracelet. There were two options. You had one option where you got a silver Reflections bracelet, and the other option was a rose Reflections bracelet. It was depending on how much money you would spend. So there was one charm that I wanted from Singapore for Chinese New Year, and then I thought if I were getting a free Reflections bracelet, then I also could add some reflection charms to my order. So that's why I got the highest amount that was needed, and I got a rose Reflection bracelets, you guys. So let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside. Cute. Here we have, I believe this is the receipt. Yes, of course. So let's put it here and see what else there is. This is the Reflections bracelet. And I believe here in this pouch there are my charms, and this is the jewelry box. Let's take a look at that later on and see. So this is my rose Reflection bracelet, and I want to see what it feels like, because this is the first one that I got actually from the store. It feels actually kind of nice. I normally I wasn't supposed to get one, but since this one was for free, yeah, I thought I could enter it. Now let's go ahead and see for the charms which ones that I got. If I can open this up, you guys, sorry. Okay, so here they are. So this was the one actually that I wanted for Chinese New Year. I will look up the exact name and put it down below here. So it's this one. It's a shine charm, and it's really, really pretty. And yeah, I'm happy that I have it now. It looks really, really gorgeous. So that's the first one, and then all of these are actually charms. So I can put these onto my Reflections bracelets. So first I got here the star and the moon, and here those are 2 rose charms. So let me first take this out of the package and then we can see it a little bit better. I couldn't wait and already put these cute charms here on to the bracelet, and it looks really amazing. I am really happy that I have a Reflections bracelet now. I will put the name of the charms down below in the description of this video, so you can go ahead and look those up. I believe this was a pretty good promo they did in Singapore, and I was just very lucky that I was able to participate in it. So I got 2 beautiful things, a new bracelet and also this cute pink jewelry box from Pandora. And I did get the charm that I wanted. So this was a pretty good deal. So I hoped you liked this video. Hopefully I will see you in one of my next videos, and in the meantime, many happy Pandora moments to each and every one of you. Bye!